Armadillos, nature's armored marvels. The intricate life of adaptability and conservation.
By AI for Kids. Immerse yourself in the captivating journey of armadillos, where the blend of ancient wisdom and adaptive strategies tells a story of resilience. From their armored shells to their pivotal roles in ecosystems, this book uncovers the layers of life that make armadillos a true marvel of nature. With a nod to conservation, we explore how human understanding and action can ensure these creatures thrive for generations to come. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Armored adventurer in diverse habitats.
Meet the armadillo, a remarkable creature whose habitat spans a vast range of the Americas. From the grasslands and forests of the southern United States to the semi-deserts of South America, this adaptable animal thrives in many environments. Favoring regions with loose soil, armadillos excel at digging, whether creating new burrows for shelter or excavating in search of food. Their presence in these varied habitats is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, characteristics that have also led to their cultural significance as symbols of protection and adaptability.
As the sun dips below the horizon, the armadillo emerges. Its journey takes it through open fields and dense forests, where every step marks its role in maintaining ecological balance. From the armadillo's perspective, there's an entire world beneath the surface, a realm filled with food and refuge, hidden from the dangers above.
The armadillo's natural armor.
Armadillos are most recognized by their protective shells, a unique feature setting them apart in the animal kingdom. These natural suits of armor are composed of bony plates enveloped by a tough, leathery skin. This extraordinary adaptation allows the armadillo to deter predators and navigate through thick underbrush unharmed. Sizes vary greatly, with species from the small six-banded variety to the impressive giant armadillo. Each second in this protective casing showcases how function meets nature's demands, allowing armadillos to survive in diverse conditions.
In its snug armor, the armadillo moves confidently. Its natural defense not only shields it from physical threats but serves as a constant reminder of resilience. With every step, the armadillo embodies security and endurance, fully at ease with its remarkable adaptation.
Diet, nature's cleanup crew.
Feeding primarily on insects, armadillos perform an invaluable role as nature's pest control. Ants, termites, and other invertebrates form the bulk of their diet, but they also consume small vertebrates, plants, and the occasional carrion. This diverse diet not only supports the armadillo's energy needs but also helps regulate pest populations, maintaining ecological balance. By digging into the soil in search of food, armadillos also improve soil health, making them key contributors to their ecosystems.
The armadillo's forage through the underbrush is more than mere survival, it's an intricate dance with nature as it balances pest populations and supports soil nutrient cycles. With each morsel consumed, the armadillo reflects on its role as a steward of its environment, maintaining harmony within its ecosystem.
Curious nighttime rambles.
Nocturnal by nature, armadillos embark on solitary nightly rambles. As dusk settles, these creatures leave the comfort of their burrows to explore the world under the cover of darkness. Their senses work harmoniously to guide them through the night, where the hunt for food is quiet and precise. This solitary behavior minimizes competition and allows each armadillo to pursue its own path in nature. As silent as they are under the moon's glow, their occasional rambles across riverbeds demonstrate astounding breath-holding skills.
In the moonlit serenity of the wild, the armadillo's solitary figure wanders steadfastly, a beacon of quiet determination deeply in tune with its environment. Every nightfall carries the promise of discovery and survival, a testament to the armadillo's adaptability in the quiet solitude of nature.
A surprising aquatic talent.
Perhaps one of the most astonishing facets of the armadillo is its aquatic prowess. Equipped with the ability to hold its breath for up to 6 minutes, the 9-banded armadillo can walk along river bottoms in pursuit of sustenance. This skill, often harnessed when foraging, exemplifies their adaptability and survival instincts. Not limiting their world to land, these armadillos have unveiled an unexpected adaptability to watery realms, painting a vivid picture of nature's ingenuity.
As the river gurgles softly overhead, the armadillo treads with purpose, gracefully balancing the elements of earth and water. By venturing where few can, the armadillo embraces the unknown, mastering both land and water with silent patience.
Family bonds through unique reproduction.
Armadillo reproduction is as fascinating as their physical traits, particularly with the 9-banded species. They are the only mammals known to produce genetically identical quadruplets from a single fertilized egg, a process called polyembryony. This unique mode of reproduction reflects the armadillo's role as nature's marvel, illustrating the intricate tapestry of life. Each set of offspring, genetically uniform yet distinct in spirit, navigates their world with the unique traits of their kind.
The miracle of life in armadillos unfolds with their genetic clones embarking on shared journeys, bound by nature yet individual in journey. In each birth cycle, the armadillo mirrors nature's profound creativity, showing us the unity in diversity.
Guardians of the ecosystem.
The ecological role of armadillos extends beyond their individual pursuits. By controlling insect populations, they curb potential pests, safeguarding both human interests and natural biodiversity. Their digging not only finds them sustenance but also aerates the soil, promotes seed dispersion, and fosters plant growth. Each action of survival plays a vital role in sustaining its habitat, portraying them as silent guardians of the ecosystem, intricately interwoven with their environment's well-being.
In each seemingly mundane act, the armadillo wields power over its environment, cultivating an ecosystem abundant with resilience and life. My purpose is fulfilled not only in survival but as nature's caretaker, leaving the world richer than found.
Challenges and conservation efforts.
While many armadillo species face minimal threats, certain factors pose challenges. Habitat loss and hunting particularly threaten the vulnerable giant armadillo. Conservation efforts focus on safeguarding habitats and educating communities about their ecological roles. Balancing human activity with armadillo survival is crucial for maintaining biodiversity. Their cultural symbolism of thriftiness and adaptability further encourages a relationship of respect and unity with these remarkable creatures, a call to action for compassionate coexistence.
The future of armadillos hinges on humans' embrace of sustainable practices, an invitation to redefine coexistence and conservation. Champions emerge not just in saving but understanding the call to protect is recognizing interdependence.